Number 1 is wanted beautiful, fitness conscious girl who should be 5'4" in height, age should be 30 to 32, but who should look 25. For a handsome fitness conscious widower, 48 years, 5'6" in height, multi-millionaire, well settled business, don't mind getting dowry. Are you Tom Cruise? Even if you are, like, yeah, that's my answer. Second one is wanted fair, non-manglik, non-smoker, non-drinker, slim girl who should be from Kayastha Gotra and above, 5.1 in height for a guy, 30 years of age, 5.5 height, needed for early marriage, US based employee, BE first class. Yes, I'm a manglik and I'd rather be married to a tree than you. Third one, wanted good looking educated homely girl, age bracket 32 and 35, must belong to a respectable family business for a good looking North Indian boy, graduate, issueless, innocent, divorcee. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, yeah, let's meet. 4, wanted sincere, spiritual, caring life partner / companion for 32 years old, handsome, affectionate, caring boy, sexually unfit due to stress of previous divorce, curable, only son, caste and status, no bar, wants simple marriage. I am sure the girl's family will send her to meet him. That is my taking from this. 5, wanted very fair, beautiful girl below 30 years, height required 5'8", non-veg daughter, Brahmin or Khatri for a Bangalore based highly qualified boy who love to party and enjoy life. I'm not 5'8", but I love to party and enjoy life. Would that work? 7, wanted a bride. हो गया, बहुत सारा है ना? चलो
एक वो मत पढ़िए, ये बहुत लंबा है, ये पढ़ लो. 6.
Okay.
I know बहुत लंबा है.
हाँ. 6, a bubbly Bengali girl, non-Facebook user, should be very liberal in thoughts for a 32-year-old guy, MBA, 10 lakhs per month, 6'1" in height. That's doable, no? Let's meet for a coffee, cup of coffee. There. The message that I want to give to all the women who want to get married is don't be in a rush. It's very important to be married to the right person. Be in the now. Do whatever you need to do to find a husband, but don't get obsessive about it or don't get desperate about it. I think out of desperation or with all these stereotypes about there's an age, a time, and your biological clock is ticking and nobody will marry you now, they are all just stigmas and stereotypes. So try and not succumb to it. I know it's very, very difficult. When it has to happen, it will happen, and always remember you're not a tree or a thing, you're a person. So finding the right person is very, very important. You don't want to be tied to something that you will be very unhappy about later, and which might end up in a divorce. That it's like a storybook. It's a show. So instead of it being a visual, it's a audio show, and the series of shows that they have recorded is actually that. So instead of sitting and watching it in your on your sofa in your living room with lots of people, it gets a little bit personalized because you can download the app on your phone and put on your headphones and listen to it. So you can actually listen to it while doing your household course, or walking to school, or going to tuitions, or while traveling, and while exercising. It's that way it's quite nice, I felt. And they are just stories. They are stories of different people. When you listen to them, when I read them, I kind of had a feeling I genuinely felt like, wow, like real life is the best raw material, and no two stories are the same, you know. Everybody has their different journeys, and they go through so much in life, and they have so much to share and tell. It's just nice to know that everybody is going through something or the other, and you're not alone. So I guess everybody who would want to get married, they would have a smile on their faces and say by the end of it, अच्छा हो ही जाता है, सबकी शादी हो जाती है, हमारी भी हो जाएगी, टेंशन मत लो इतना. So that is the feeling that I get after I kind of go over the whole show and listen to it.